Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use text-based editing in Descript. So we're in a project within Descript, and if we want to use text-based editing, it's quite easy. On the bottom right of your screen, you will see the Underload button. Go ahead and click on it. Here it says, I'm new, I'm a creative partner, I'm not perfect, but I am improving rapidly. Let me know what you need and I'll create whatever it is that you need. All right, let's go ahead. Now, we are going to type in exactly what we want. Let's say, cut the clips at intervals with silences and add transitions to the clip. Go ahead, click on send. You are now editing your video literally with text. So here we go. It says I'll help you make the cuts and so on and so on. It's also showing you all the work that it's doing. It's showing you what it's thinking. And if it has any more questions further related to your request, it will ask you the question and it'll ask you to select an option or type in an option over here. So as you can see, we are working through and the silences will be cut, and we will then have these dynamic transitions added in just to make this video project a little bit nicer.